Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Anne Frank, the German-born Jewish girl who kept a diary in which she documented life in hiding in Amsterdam under Nazi persecution during the German occupation of the Netherlands. The correct Dutch pronunciation is Anne Frank. There is no real emphasis. Anne Frank. Anne Frank. Anne Frank. All letters are pronounced. Het dagboek van Anne Frank. The diary of Anne Frank. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check it out. Tot ziens.